Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Can I open a Venmo account in Nigeria? I'm going to answer this question in a few different ways. First, I'll talk about the history of Venmo and how it's used in the United States. Then, I'll discuss the challenges of opening a Venmo account in Nigeria. Finally, I'll offer some alternative payment options for Nigerians. History of Venmo. Venmo is a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service that was founded in 2009. It's owned by PayPal, and it's used by millions of people in the United States to send and receive money. Venmo is a great way to pay friends and family for things like rent, groceries, and dinners out. It's also a popular way to split bills at restaurants and bars. How Venmo is used in the United States. Here are some of the most common ways that Venmo is used in the United States. Paying friends and family. Venmo is a great way to pay friends and family for things like rent, groceries, and dinners out. Splitting bills. Venmo is a popular way to split bills at restaurants and bars. Buying and selling goods and services. Venmo can be used to buy and sell goods and services online and in person. Donating to charity. Venmo can be used to donate to charity. Getting paid for work. Venmo can be used to get paid for work, such as babysitting or tutoring. Challenges of opening a Venmo account in Nigeria. Unfortunately, Venmo is not available in Nigeria. This is because Venmo is only available in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the United Kingdom. There are a few reasons why Venmo is not available in Nigeria. One reason is that Venmo is not regulated by the Nigerian government. Another reason is that Venmo does not have a banking license in Nigeria. Alternative payment options for Nigerians. If you're looking for a way to send and receive money in Nigeria, there are a few alternative payment options available to you. Here are a few of the most popular options. PayPal. PayPal is a global payment service that is available in Nigeria. You can use PayPal to send and receive money from friends and family, as well as buy and sell goods and services online. WorldRemit. WorldRemit is a money transfer service that allows you to send money to Nigeria from over 50 countries. You can use WorldRemit to send money to bank accounts, mobile wallets, and cash pickup locations. Opay. Opay is a Nigerian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including mobile money, payments, and lending. You can use Opay to send and receive money from friends and family, as well as pay for bills and groceries. Unfortunately, Venmo is not available in Nigeria. However, there are a few alternative payment options available to you. If you're looking for a way to send and receive money in Nigeria, I recommend using PayPal, WorldRemit, or Opay. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're looking for a way to send and receive money in Nigeria, I encourage you to try one of the alternative payment options that I've discussed in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.